know what I'm saying is true. It's what they do. They come knocking on our doors trying to frighten our little children. Are you a Muslim? What you look like asking our little children, is that child a Muslim? I tell the old devil, you must believe it too, or you wouldn't be wasting all your money trying to track us down.
What if I told you there were soldiers outside who despise you and I, ready to take us dead or alive with guns pointed at your pride? And you had the option to just lie and denounce what you hold inside. Would you go run and hide or get ready to die? You see, the problem with you and I is we would say anything to stay alive, multiplied by the drive that we have to survive. Most would rather compromise than to be chastised, so we don't even try. But I dare to ask why. Homeland Security is only trying to secure me in these tiny little rooms where I could barely breathe. Maybe it's the way I'm dressed in the land of the free. No chemise, I should've just wore jeans and a tee. And I know it's hard to believe, but I ain't a refugee. Actually, I was born in a hospital right down the street. So tell me, what's the beef? Is it the beard or attire? Or is it my last name? You could just call me Michael. Are you comfortable? Am I moderate enough for your liking? I don't want any trouble. I'll be good, man. I promise. I'm honest. Only liars need to preach to a choir. 'Cause holding on to this dean is like holding on to fire. With a smile, ain't sure if it's still worth your while. Hey, you said you wanna believe, then you will be put on trial. Tested, but blessed are those who remain steadfast and pray. 'Cause what are we but slaves, just looking for a raise? Anyways, every day's another chance at being saved. 'Cause even a broken clock is right 2 times a day. But I'd be lying if I didn't say we look like lions without manes, trying to impress these creatures who just came from mud and clay. Why don't you beautify your grave? Iqra, proclaim. Who will testify for you when your Lord calls your name? Work for your spot in the shade on a day when there will only be his shade. The things you love today, they will all fade away. Remember the story of the cave. Even though they were afraid, the youth knew the truth, so they still remain brave. The same goes today, 'cause even rain goes away, and after the clouds the sun comes out to play. So expect brighter days and declare all praise to the one with no sun, in need of no aid. Isn't it strange how the strangers are starting to feel strange? I guess sometimes Guantanamo Bay is just the price you gotta pay. Allah does not place a burden on a soul more than it can handle, and even the bruises from sujood will light your way just like a candle. And we follow the example of the best of examples. I don't stand for flags or bow to your bourgeois. I pledge allegiance to La ilaha illallah. Say it loud, say it proud. Let them know your Muslim names: Uthman, Umar, Ali, Khadija, Aisha, Sumayya. If only you knew the sacrifice these people made. So tell your airport security, I'm sorry if we all look the same, but there's a reason why Mohammed is the world's most popular name. And you can call us funny names and draw cartoons in his name, but there will come a day when your Lord will decide who goes and who stays. So go ahead and tease. After hardship comes ease, and gardens with rivers that flow underneath. This one is for every hijabi who ever got made fun of in school, or the brothers too scared to rock a beard cause facial hair isn't cool. If Allah didn't love you, then he wouldn't test you. So prepare for victory coming to a soul near you.